Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and we have a little drama going on outside right now. You want to go outside, kitty cat? Lucky, what's going on? Why are you out of your fence? Did you crash the fence? Lucky, where's your girlfriend? Did Miss Houdini jump out and you followed? Lucky. Hi, Goose. Yeah, he's not where he's supposed to be, is he? Ah, really? Show you something here. Miss Houdini's up to some old tricks. I don't know if you can see that. Miss Houdini, are you laying eggs all the way under there? And you got Lucky all upset. I'm gonna have to clip your wings, girl, before you disappear on us and Lucky gets to guarding outside his fence all the time. What's Lucky doing now, huh? What's Lucky doing now? It's you who used to crash the fence. Mr. Lucky, what are we gonna do about you and Houdini, huh? Is your fence on? It is, and you went over when it's on. It doesn't look in bad shape. Did you fly over? How'd you get over your fence, or did you just crash through it? Yeah, I know, grass is greener over here. So what are we gonna do with this pair of oddball lovebirds? I think I'm gonna have to clip Houdini's wings. For now, I think she's done laying her egg. She looks like she wants back into the flock. Lucky, is it time to go back in? Can we get you guys in without letting the rest of the flock out? Let's see if we can get some treats. Okay, Houdini. Can we distract the flock for you? Okay, guys. You coming in? No, that she's still laying her egg. There we go. Nice happy flock again. Lucky in his pool, Houdini with the rest of the girls. Oh boy, we might have to clip someone's wings. Yeah. And I know Houdini probably jumps on top of that coop and flies over. Lucky, I'm thinking he probably crashes through the fence. Not 100% sure, I haven't seen him do it.